Today, I'm painting a bunny. Some assembly required. This is going to be fun. For a while now, Lily and I have had the idea to 3D print some kind of a simple figure and do an acrylic pour over the top. Now, that definitely needs to happen, but I was wondering, will the paint stick? I'm not really sure. This calls for an experiment. Lily printed Blanky here that she designed with her friend using Tinkercad, so I decided that I need to find something cute to print and paint. I picked this bunny from Fab 365, so I don't need to worry about thinking about supports or anything like that. I can just get to it and print. They have really awesome stuff, so if you like 3D printing and you haven't heard of them, you should definitely go check them out. Not a sponsor, I just genuinely think that they're awesome. So, let's start the print. Done! This is how it's printed, so it doesn't even require supports or anything. Clever! So here's how the head will go together. And then this is the body. But before I build it, I have to figure out a color plan. There are maybe too many choices. I think I'll go with this one. Now let's put it together. For the head, I just need to flip this part up and clip it into the slot. Harder than you'd think. There. But it's still a little rattly. Let's see how the body goes. No flaps or anything, I think it just clips in. Okay, solid. It's going to be cute. So I will just put down some junk mail and we're ready to go. First, I'm going to apply a thin coat of gesso. Nothing special, this is the same huge tub I bought in college. The idea is that this will stick to the plastic and then the paint can stick to the gesso. I tried to just stick the head together with gesso, but it still moves a little. So, E6000 to the rescue. And it's not coming out. Neat. No problem, I'll just cut the tube open. Just shove some glue into the little head, and some more on the other side. Clean up all the stuff that's squished out, and let it dry. That should do it. Okay, does it pass the shake test? Yes, it does. Moving on to paint. The gray is going to need a bunch of coats, so I'll just get started on that. And then more and more and more and more and more and more and more until it's nice and even. And then it can dry a little. Until I can pick it up. Next, I'm going to use some blue to make the shorts. I'm hoping mixing the dark and light blues will give it a kind of worn denim look. Ah, cute! I love the pockets. While the pants dry, I'll switch over to the head. I'll just take a minute to sketch out where the eyes should be, and try to make them even. Then I'll paint them black and try to keep them even, which is harder than it needs to be since my hands are a little shaky. Not bad. Time for the shirt. I feel like I should tape the arms so they don't get all painty. Well, look what I found while I was taping. The arms come all the way out to here. Huh. So I could make it a t-shirt, but I think I'll just bring the gray all the way up. How is this even cuter? Well, now that the arms come out, I think I should just be able to paint the shirt around them. Awkwardly. Let's see if I regret this. Just throw a few coats on there. And while the shirt dries, it's back to the head. I want to add some color to the eyes, so I'm putting in irises with this pretty metallic purple. It's a little subtle, but less of a creepy void. For the star, I'm using a metallic greeny teal, and you know what that means. 5 million coats! It does have a pretty shine though. In between coats, I'll paint the glasses. I am trying to get right up to the edge. And suddenly the sun is setting and making my light all weird. Pretty color on the glasses though. Now, let's see if I can add cute pink cheeks somewhat evenly. The glasses still need at least one more coat, so I don't have to worry too much about running into them. I'm not sure they're even, but they're close enough. Oh, I almost forgot. I'll add a little dot of gray for a button. Almost finished! A few more coats for the glasses. Then, eye shinies! This paintbrush has one little bristle that sticks way out, so I'll just do the best I can. And I'm not sure it's necessary, but I'm adding some skinny straight lines for glasses shine. And dry. The last step is getting all the paper out of the way and putting this bunny together. Heave! Oh my goodness, cute. I love it. So that was ridiculously fun. I'm not sure that the gesso was necessary, but it certainly didn't hurt. It made me feel better. Also, it would let you paint cute stuff on old toys, flea market finds, stuff like that, and it would give you a nice white base coat to start from. Now I'm really excited to do an acrylic pour over one of these, or several, because I'm probably not going to be able to stop myself from adding big shiny eyes to at least one of them. Thanks for watching! Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos come out every Saturday, so until the next one, be awesome! And I'll see you then. Bye!